As we continue our Lenten journey, we are given today the icon and the life of the prophet Jonah. As a prophet himself, such vocation and call from the Lord entails a very big responsibility. You are God's mouthpiece as a prophet. Tinig ka ng Diyos para sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Daan ka ng Diyos para maparating ng Diyos sa mga taong ito ang kanyang kagustuhan at marahil ang kanyang plano. But besides a big call as a prophet, some would attribute Jonah as a simple person. A simple guy, yet with a big responsibility from the Lord. Sino ang mag-aakala na mula sa isang simpleng tao, sa isang simpleng propeta, sa pagtawag niya para magbago ang Ninive, ay makakapagpabago din siya ng puso ng isang hari? We expect that for you to influence a king, he must be influenced either by someone of equal footing with him or maybe someone higher than a king. But a prophet influenced a king. A simple person influenced a king to change his life. On the one hand, Jesus would like to remind the people around him of someone greater than Jonah. Easy to say, the Lord was also telling them that I am the exact person greater than Jonah here. Pero kahit na siya yung pinakadakilang taong nabuhay, many opted not to listen to Jesus. Diyos na mismo yung nagsasalita sa kanila. Jesus himself is teaching them what to do and what not to do. But sad to say, man cannot take what God is inviting them to do so. Diyos na mismo ang nagsalita, pero tao na ang umaayaw sa mga salitang ito. See the big contrast of the two stories. A simple man, a simple prophet, was able to convert the heart of a king. But these people, with the words of the Lord, cannot even take on the call for conversion. My dear friends, we might not have the same experience or experiences with the Bible characters to whom the Lord spoke directly. But today, every day of our lives, God speaks His desire for peace and reconciliation from the simplest and even the meekest of all people. I know my incapacities as I serve you. Kapag kausap po natin ang bawat isa, mga munting sinyales tayo sa bawat isa ng pagmamahal at pag-ibig ng Panginoon. At kahit tayo ay simple at payak na mga propeta lamang, malaki po ang maiaambag natin sa pagpapanibago ng mundo at sa pagpapanibago ng bawat isa. We would not need anymore a greater voice like that of a prophet. For the highest official in this world to the lowest of all people in this world to face conversion. But like Jonah and the Lord, you might be simple, but God sent you, or God sends you to touch lives and call each and every one of us back to God. You might be simple, but God sent you to touch lives and call each other back to God. A simple you can be a way for others to turn to God and love God again. My dear friends, who knows, yung mag-aya ka lang ng kaopisina mo, ng iyong kamag-anak, ng iyong kaibigan o sino mang magdasal, magsimba o lumapit sa Panginoon ay maging dahilan para bumalik siya sa Diyos at magbagong buhay muli. A simple and yet a God-given vocation. My dear friends, simple as it can be, simple as you are, that can touch lives. You can turn back many to the love of God.